Hi, welcome to day 17 of our 28-day challenge for chair yoga plus seated Tai Chi, Qigong, and Breathwork. We're going to be doing some Qigong today, which is forward and back bending of the spine. So along with the deep breathing, it is a good exercise for moving lymph. Let's get started with just isolating the forward and back movement of the spine. So if you cross your hands and just bend forward a little bit, forward bending of the spine. Go back up, bend backward a little bit, looking up. Come back to neutral position. Forward and back bending of the spine. Now we're going to add the hands. As we bend forward, we're going to make loose fists. Press the fists together. And there is efforting. We're going to press together, grip with our toes, and tense up every muscle of our body. A huge isometric full body exercise. Just and to do that, we're going to exhale. And then we backward bend. Hands fly up by the head, and we inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Pumping, relaxing. Exerting, relaxing, efforting. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Move. Flow. Enjoy the movement. Enjoy your breathing. Close your eyes, get in a rhythm, flowing motion. Mindful movement, the mind is relaxed and focused, not worried about anything, enjoying the motion. Don't overthink this, just enjoy. Modify it for your comfort. And then come back. Enjoy the stillness for a minute. Breathe. See you tomorrow.